Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. Took them long enough, Jesus. Yo. What it do? How are you doing, guys? Long time no, well, no, that's not true. I've been posting every day this week because I'm just a goat, you know what I'm saying? I'm just nice like that. But, of course, we're back again with another beat. Today, guys, what we're doing today, the title says we are doing a Travis Scott type beat. You know, I want to add a sample to this beat, but I'm too lazy. And I didn't do it beforehand, that's what I like to do. And I don't feel like going through the samples now, all that stuff or whatever. But, yeah, we're just gonna, of course, use Omnisphere, do the whole spiel, you know what I'm saying? Do our thing. And yeah, let's, we're gonna, yeah. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to comment on videos that should do the feature in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And of course, subscribe to the damn channel. We about to hit 10K soon, I hope. Maybe. But yeah, man, I'm just getting bigger. Don't forget to turn on post notifications. So yeah, let's get into this video now. Or let's do this beat or whatever. I don't know. I'm not good at these intros anymore. Oh, didn't see you there. Oh, hello. Let's let's get started. Now let's look for something totally original and go for some bells. You know what I'm saying? Who can go wrong with bells? What can go wrong with bells? Nothing. Like, you can always make a fire beat with bells. All right. The more you know. That's okay. It's all right. Let's actually work on this some more. Yeah, I'm just gonna like probably add an ARP on it. Let's see what an ARP does. What does an ARP do? All right, cool. It doesn't do anything. All right, that just messes it up. All right, let's find another sound. Let's go back to that other one that I was bad mouthing. Chaotic Glock. Okay, we need to make this better somehow. There we go, guys. A quick tip, all right? If you have Omnisphere, all right, and your beat, your bell sounds a little whack, go to this timbre thing, turn it all the way to the 0, all right? I'm just gonna change it. I don't know why. Why is someone calling this house? Hold on. Oh my fucking God. I've returned. I like this, so I'm gonna use it. Now we're gonna try Gross Beat. All right, I want to do another melody. I want to add another melody. I want it to be a little bit more full. Let's try. I'm gonna use Omnisphere again, just cause. I mean, why not? All right, let's go. Let's find this other sound. Do I want another bell? Yes, I do. Yes, I dig dog do.
Boy, if you don't get.
Yeah, we need softer bells. All right, I have a bell in mind, but I don't want it to be that bell because it's just kind of cliche. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm probably gonna do it. Not this one. No. All right, let's layer it. Let's layer it. See what it does. All right, let's see what this does. Let's bring it up an octave. Alright, I'm gonna play this harp a little bit, hold up. Alright, cool, melody seems pretty lit. Now, let's do the drums. And yeah, alright, where's the drums at? I'm gonna do sub bass. Synth 6, there we go. Put some portamento and slide this. Alright, Alright, let's bring this down because it's irritating me. Alright, yo, this sub bass is getting me excited, okay? Let's do these kicks now, okay? I'm really feeling that. That kind of came out weird, but you know exactly what I mean, you dirty-minded little children. I need a snare real quick. Let's speed this up. It's kind of slow. I don't like it. All right, guys. I got the kick pattern. It's cool or whatever. Keep it. Okay, this is subject to change. All right, it's not gonna be like this. When I start laying down the hi-hats and getting the bounce better, you know, it's gonna change. All right, so chill out, relax. All right, just keep watching. Relax. Keep going. Come on. All right, let's go. You know, I need a new camera because this is some bullshit. Let's just mix this thing. I just want to finish this video. This video is pissing me off now. It's lit! Alright, the beat is done. I don't know if you guys liked it or not. You probably did because, you know, my beats are amazing. But if you guys liked the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. on videos I should do in the future. And of course, don't forget to share the video with your friends, of course, you know what I'm saying? They need to know, like, come on, like, why wouldn't you share this with them? All right, don't forget to also subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm saying? Do that, that's mandatory. I don't know why you're not subscribed. That'll make no damn sense. And don't forget to turn on post notifications while you're doing that, okay? There's a little bell button, you know what I'm saying, to the right of it when you press subscribe. Hit that, all right? If you don't, you're not gonna see my videos, all right? And you won't be blessed by my presence. So, do that. And yeah, without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really, really do appreciate you guys. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.